right, so for your Instagram Lives, we can now create an interactive option. As you are preparing for your live, you can create essentially an event right here in Instagram. So what you're going to do is you want to go ahead and set up your live stream. So at the top, we're going to click this little plus button. As always, Instagram likes to move this around, so be aware of that. I'm going to tap on the plus and click live. From here, oh, there's my double chin. From here, I'm actually just to flip my camera around because that always distracts me watching myself talk. From here, I'm going to go ahead and set up my live stream. So at the top here, you see these little, this little line option. You want to go ahead and type in the title of your live. So I'm just calling this a test, and you can add any details from there. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on the schedule. And you can title the video something different. Usually it's the same as the live. And you want to put your start time. I'm just going to put a few days from now as an example. One other thing I want to show you here before I move on is that you can actually use this as a practice mode. So instead of it going public, you can practice with yourself, which is great if you need to kind of get the tech down and things like that. So this video won't go out to other people. Okay, so I'm going to go back here, hit test, just put it from a few days from now and hit done and schedule that live stream. So now this live stream is scheduled. You can go ahead and add it to a post if you'd like. In the moment, but I'm going to share a post later, and I'm going to show you how to add this to your post if you're sharing later. Okay, so I don't want to schedule any more lives. So you can go to create a post here, and okay, let's just pick a random photo and hit next. And on this screen here, you'll see add reminder. This is how you can tap on that live stream and have it show up on the post itself, which really makes an interactive experience for your user. Okay, and then you can go ahead and share that post. I'm going to delete that one. You can also add this to your story. So if I went to add to story, and let's say I took a picture of something, this will now show up in your options here. So I'm going to tap on that little smiley face guy. And I'm going to scroll down to the word scheduled. And you can see here now I have that live stream. So you can add this to your stories, and it'll actually send a notification to people if they tap remind me in your stories, which is a great way to add in some more interactive elements. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is how to delete these live events if you'd like. So I'm going to go back over to live here. Actually, I'm going to go over to my profile. On the profile, if I refresh, you'll also see the live event there as well. So I wanted to show you what that looks like. So I set this to only me, but other people can see this once it's public. So when you tap on that and you hit edit, it'll actually pull up the event details, so you can change the time and the name if you'd like. But in this instance, I'm going to cancel the live video, and it has been canceled. And there you have it. That's how you schedule live interactive stickers on Instagram. Hey, before you go, I've got to tell you about the Instagram Mindset Guide. It's a free resource that's going to help you strengthen your marketing by strengthening your mindset, and I think you'll love it. Grab it at the link that goes with this video, and I'll see you back here with another video very soon. Bye!